Hi, I'm Marna, and I have an addiction, and it is vintage dolls. Okay, I admitted it. A couple of weeks ago, or a few weeks ago, my husband and I went to garage sales, and I told him, if you find any trolls, I'll buy you Mexican for lunch. Look what he found. He paid $1 for all of these. This one alone is on eBay for about $75. These guys, yeah, they're worth some money too. So anyway, we went to the antique mall the other day, and you know, the running joke is, if you find me a vintage doll, then I'll buy you lunch. So we went to the antique mall, and lo and behold, I went around a corner and I found this nice Russ. Yeah, the hair's a mess, but I haven't done anything to these trolls yet. I could also pull this hair out and make a planter out of this, which is what I'd like to do anyway. $4, $3.99. And I thought, woohoo, I found something. So I was going around, and they had these. It is a bag full of trolls, and it was marked $8. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and see what and how many we have. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So here we go. I'm just going to quickly put them out. Oh, they're cute. No smell at all. I will say that I cracked open, this is all sealed. I couldn't just unzip it. I cracked open a smell hole in the, oh, this one's got the rooted hair. That's a dam, I believe. And cracked them open and took a little smell to make sure that they were not mildewy. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 for $8. And look at this little guy. Now, if you're a troll collector, you know I found something there. Well, they didn't just have one bag. They had more than one, also marked $8. This was some, uh-oh, her hair is caught in that zipper. Ooh, 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 and she's a granny. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, and a clown hat. 4, 5, 6, oh, ball and chain for Valentine's. And 7. If you're a collector, you know that these little Russes in the little outfits on eBay are way more than $1 a piece. Look here, a third bag, also $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I really wanted this one. They're jointed, and they're a Russ, and it's the, I can't think of its name. So what we have here, 2, 4, 6, 7 in this bag. But wait, there's more. They were all marked $8. Let's get a count. 1, 2, here's a little outfit off. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a hairbrush. And another bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look what I got there. 5. Woo, Cardinals fans. Hey, St. Louis, shout out. Shout out to my daughter-in-laws. 6, 7 in that bag. Let's move you forward. 1, 2. Ooh, looky here. 3. Woo, 4. Oh, and a tie heart guy. 5, 6, jewel belly. 7 in that bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo, look what I got. 7, 8 in that bag. Oh, here's some hair fell out. 1. How about this as a jewel belly? Yep. 2, 3, 4. Here goes this hair. 5, 6. Oh, and I love these. 7 and 8 in that bag. Wait a minute. Check it out. There were 13 bags of these trolls. Someone's collection. Someone that took care of them and loved them, and they're not even dusty from sitting on a shelf. 1, 2, jewel belly. 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh, missing here, but I saw his hat somewhere over here. What did I say, 7? 8.
No, that was 7.
7, okay. And then, look at this guy. Great big skateboard, and it's battery operated. It is missing a wheel, but I'm okay with that. What a cutie. 1, 2, take me out to the ball game. Shout out to my daughter-in-laws. 3, ooh, rooted dam. 4, 5, jewel belly. 6. 1, 2, jewel belly. 3, 4, jewel belly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy cow, there's 10 in this one. Plus a hat that went on somebody over there. And the rock guy's guitar. Okay, this is the last bag. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. Oh, a baby. 4. Valentine's. 5. Jewel belly. 6. Ooh, save the planet. 7. 8. And, oh, bunny ears. 9. So, if you know me, and you probably don't, I made an offer. I said, would you take, well, I offered $5 a bag if they took it all. They countered. I was happy. My husband just kept saying, buy them all, buy them all. And that was at $8. So here you go is what I got for a great deal. Some of these, a lot of these will be on sale on our website at faroutliving.com, and others will be on eBay. I just don't need this many trolls, but I'll be picking through them. So if you're looking for trolls, don't forget the garage sales, the thrift shops, and the antique mall. You never know when you're going to hit the mother lode like I did. I'll probably never see this many for this great of a deal again, but it is fun. And like I said, I'm going to go through these and save some and clean some. And actually, these do not need much cleaning. I might just leave them alone as is. Take your husband with you, offer him lunch for helping. Take a friend, take your dog. Tell them if they find trolls, you buy them a nice lunch. Sometimes when you dig in the bottom of those boxes at a garage sale with the toys in them, and the dirtier the toys, the more likely you are to find something good in it. You can dig around and find them cheap. Thank you for visiting us in our channel. Please leave a like and subscribe.
Hello, darling. This is Louis, darling. Mighty glad to have you back where you belong. You looking swell, darling. I can tell, darling. You keep glowing, you still growing, you still going strong. I feel the room sway and the band's playing one of our favorite tunes from way back when. Yeah, I take a rap balance, a lantern.